We bring a different kind of energy. An energy that excites. An energy that transforms. An energy that's greener, cleaner, and engineered to connect us, to each other, to the products we use, and to a deeper purpose. We have a commitment to you and to future generations to deliver powerful marine solutions that are simple, seamless, and sustainable. Innovations carefully crafted to invigorate your senses and energize your soul. But we won't get there by just talking. We'll get there by taking bold steps, by accelerating our transformation and defining the boating experience of tomorrow. We're part of the Volvo Group's commitment to all power solutions reaching net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2040. We've teamed up with an electrification specialist to power hybrid crew transfer vessels. We've expanded our expertise through acquisition of Norwegian marine battery and electric driveline solution supplier Zem. Estimated to save 127 metric tons of CO2 compared to traditional diesel-powered vessels. Innovation is the name of the game, and we're no stranger to it. Take, for example, some of our latest evolutionary technologies, like the recently enhanced Easy Connect that simplifies navigation and keeps you informed of critical boat data wherever you are, and assisted docking. Now, novices and experts alike can master the most difficult maneuver in boating with ease and confidence. Like a magnetic energy, we are drawn to the notion of a better world for generations to come. And we'll keep doing our part to get there, one innovation at a time.